Hello everyone, this is a new printer, Epson L3251 model. Printer is showing all lights blinking, and it's showing in the system in weekly set utility that this is a fatal error. So something is wrong in the printer. Today we will diagnose it and fix the problem. Open the top cover and we have to lift the scanner door. Printer is not initializing. So with the help of flat screwdriver or anything like this, we have to lift this up. And after I lift the top cover, this should be removed. That user didn't remove this plastic. And second, make sure these all cables connected correctly. Printer is still new. Okay, now I will turn off and will turn on again to make sure that the issue should have resolved. Initializing. Before it was showing error when it's moved on the left. Now it's initializing, so you have to wait. And now it's rotating the main roller. Before it was showing error when it's moved from right to left, and I think this was the reason that it's stuck inside. Okay, now the new printer, it's asking that we have to make ink programming, like we have to press the cancel button for 5 seconds. It will start initializing the ink. Okay, now you can hear the sound. It started initializing the ink. So this was the problem, that this was the plastic inside creating the problem to show the fatal error. So you have to make sure. There are many reasons other for fatal error. If the ink carriage is jammed or something stuck on that side, or maybe something stuck on this side, so you have to check for this fatal error after lifting up the scanner cover. Now we will turn back like this. It start initializing. Ink is being initialized now. It will take around 5 to 7 minutes. So that's how you can diagnose the fatal error and to remove the fix the fatal error if your printer is showing all lights blinking. If you have any other question, you can ask down in the comments. Thank you for watching. All the best.